Okay guys, I will interview student in FMUPA in statistics major for my project. Okay, let's go. Hi, can I interview you for my project? Okay, let's go. Okay, can you tell your name and ID?
Okay, hello guys, my name is Santara Mudani. My student ID is 25509011111131.
Okay, thank you. Can I call you? What?
You can call me Tata.
Okay, Tata. Why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Okay, so I choose Brawijaya University because Brawijaya University is one of the best university in East Java. It's not only in East Java, but also in Indonesia. It's owned by many sources.
Okay, Tata. Why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science in Brawijaya University or FMIPA? Why?
Okay, I choose FMIPA. Why? Because I already pursued this FMIPA things in high school. I mean UNIPA. So I think it's better for me to continue to learn in Faculty of Mathematics and Science.
Okay. Why do you choose the statistics major? Why?
I just studied this major because I'm enjoying statistics in high school before. I feel like I love analysis things, so I think statistics is the best major for me to pursue in the future.
Okay. How has your experience been studying at Brawijaya University so far? What in terms of the campus environment and the education system?
Okay, my experience so far for environment, Brawijaya University is very nice because already has many facilities like laboratorium and public space. It helps me to learn anywhere and I can be anywhere lah. Nah, terus yang kedua, for educating system, I like the things this week because it helps me to learn and evaluate my study before the final test.
Okay, the last question for me. How relevant is your current study program to your future career plan?
It's very relevant because, like I have said before, I love analysis thing and I think statistics is the best choice for me to continue my studies. So I choose statistics because I want to be a data analyst.
Oke, tangan thank you ya.
Okay,
Ya,
makasih.
ya, welcome. Hi bro, can I ask you for some question?
Maaf Kak, lagi nggak bisa.
Okay, thank you. Hey guys, my name is Khaled Mujibo. I'm from Statistika A, English. Okay, I want to ask some questions in the random student in statistics. Okay. Hello. Hi, some questions. Can you spell your name and your ID and place?
My name is Vanessa Kapolinda. I'm from Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science. Science major.
Okay. Okay, I want to ask you. Why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Why do I choose University of Brawijaya? Because my sister is studying here and also Brawijaya University is my dream university.
Okay. Why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science?
Because the major that I choose is in this faculty.
Okay. Why do you choose the statistics major?
Because when I was in high school, statistics is my favorite mathematics submaterials.
How has your experience been studying at Brawijaya University so far, but in terms of the campus environment and the education system?
I think the campus environment and the education system is good so far.
Okay. Good. Okay. How relevant is your current study program to your future career plans? Elaborate your answer.
It's really relevant because di masa depan kan statistik sangat berguna juga.
Okay.
Nah, jadi studi yang saya pilih saat ini sangat relevan dengan pekerjaan yang akan saya dapatkan
Ya.
pekerjaan impian saya di masa depan.
Okay. Thank you. Ya. Bro, excuse me. Yes, can I tell you? Sorry. For now, I'm busy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay guys, right now I'm with my friends. Can you introduce yourself please?
Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Bella Pertiwi. You can call me Bella and I'm from major statistics.
Okay, I have 5 questions for you. First, why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Okay, so I chose this Brawijaya University because one of the top university in Indonesia. has a good reputation and many people recommended it. I'm sure that Brawijaya University can be a good place for me to grow in academic or personally. And besides that, I'm from Malang City, so why not I choose this Brawijaya University?
I see. Okay, and then why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science?
Okay, so I choose this faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, because I like logic and numbers, and I think that Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science can help me or give me a strong foundation to more or develop structure the way of thinking.
I see. Okay, and then why do you choose the statistics?
Okay, so I choose this statistics major because I like to working in data. I enjoy explore number and finding patterns, and I feel that statistics is so much useful for today, and so I think that statistics has a good opportunities.
And then how has your experience studying at the university with the range of the campus environment and the education system?
I feel that studying at Brawijaya University is my best experience because this campus so really lively but still comfortable. The lecture open for discussion, the people are friendly, and the system is so nice. I think that my experience in here so far is so my best experience.
And then for the last question, how relevant is your current study program to your future career plans? And can you elaborate your answer?
Okay, so because I want to work in related data, it's like data analysis and research. So and what I'm learning now is like programming, data analysis is so useful for my career. So I think what I learn now, what I study now, support my goals.
Thank you so much, Bella. Excuse me, can I ask you 5 questions? Oh yeah, sorry, thank you. Hi guys, right now I'm with my friends. Can you introduce yourself? Hello, I'm Betty from Statistics Major of University of Brawijaya. Okay, right now I have 5 questions for you. Can you answer my question? For the first, why do you choose Brawijaya University? Soal yang kita tahu ya, Brawijaya University kayak salah satu dari 10 universitas terbaik yang ada di Indonesia. Jadi harapannya ketika aku masuk sini, aku bisa berkembang jadi pribadi yang lebih baik, bisa bersinar ke depannya. Okay, and then why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science? Mungkin alasan pribadi kenapa aku pilih FMK ya? FMK karena dari jenjang SMA di yang sebelumnya aku tuh udah masuk di jurusan IPA. Jadi aku ingin melanjutkan fokus aku di MIPA ini. Jadi di waktu di universitas aku bisa nggak kaget, nggak tahu gitu sama pelajaran yang ada di sini. Okay, and then why do you choose the statistics major? Mungkin statistika tuh kayak apa sih, ngapain pilih ini, kan dia angka banget kan. Nah di SMA kebetulan aku tuh juga suka yang namanya matematika dan mungkin fokusnya di statistika itu. Jadi aku pilih statistika ini selain karena aku suka matematika. Di kehidupan selanjutnya di masa depan statistika tuh punya peluang pekerjaan yang luas, dia bisa masuk di berbagai bidang. And then for the fourth, how has your experience been studying at UB so far? Good in terms of the campus, environment, and the education system. Experience aku di Universitas Brawijaya ini seru ya, apalagi kita masih maba, banyak banget acara-acara yang bisa kita ikutin, mulai dari ospek fakultas, ospek kampus, ospek prodi, ada nih ospek departemen, itu seru banget. Terus kalau sistemnya di sini juga udah terstruktur lewat Brown, di situ kayak semua materinya tuh disediain. Mungkin kalau buat materi sendiri di statistika itu mungkin agak kaget ya, kayak oh ternyata nggak segampang itu, tapi mulai enjoy sama experience-nya sih, mulai enjoy sama prosesnya. Okay, for the last, how relevant is your current study program to your future career plans? Elaborate your answer. Untuk kedepannya, mungkin dari statistika ini aku tuh ingin jadi data science. Aku ingin terlibat dalam analisis data dari berbagai bidang, mungkin dari ekonomi atau dari mungkin juga bisa masuk ke kesehatan ya, kayak dia bisa kayak analisis data yang ada ya. Mungkin itu aja sih. Okay, good so far. Thank you, Tavi. Yeah, thank you. Hello guys, I'm today with one of the statistics major students. Can you introduce yourself, please? Hello everyone, my
Jadi gini kak, saya mau nanyain beberapa pertanyaan tapi menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan kakaknya boleh menjawab menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan campuran gitu. Jadi kakak mau kenal? So before that, what is your name?
My name is Nandini Swabriyati.
Okay, what faculty you are?
Niba.
And I want to ask, why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Okay, why I choose Brawijaya? Because I think Brawijaya have a good reputation and the environment is feel comfortable. And then they have a facility is complete, and I think Brawijaya have a good place to study in.
And the second is, why do you choose the faculty of mathematics and natural science?
Because I like things related to numbers, and I think NIPA can learn how to critical thinking.
The third one is, why do you choose the statistics major?
Why I choose statistics? Because I think in the new era, I think statistik is berguna banyak banget sekarang tuh. Jadi data tuh jadi salah satu informasi yang paling penting sekarang. Jadi kenapa aku pilih statistik?
Why you choose that? How has your experience been studying at UB so far, both in terms of this campus environment and the education system?
Untuk saat ini, I think sangat fun dan mengasihkan, seru karena matkulnya juga masih easy ya, jadi masih seru. Dan untuk kegiatan-kegiatannya sangat produktif, jadi banyak banget hal-hal baru yang bisa aku coba.
The last one is, how relevant is your current study program to your future career plan?
I think my study program is very connect ya to future career plans, karena saat ini statistik tuh banyak banget dibutuhin juga di dunia kerja dan juga banyak banget peluang kerja. Jadi aku pikir materi-materi yang sekarang aku pelajarin itu bisa membangun karir aku ke depan.
Okay, thank you for your
Yes.
Oke, my name is Riva dan aku dari Setrika angkatan 25. So we ask you some questions. So first of all, why do you choose Brawijaya University?
I choose Brawijaya University because Brawijaya University has good reputation and support my learning environment.
Why do you choose the faculty of mathematics and natural science instead of
Everybody. I choose FIPA because I enjoy science and mathematics, so I choose it.
why do you choose the statistics major?
Because I like number, like analytic data, and aku mau pengen nyoba problem solving, so I choose that.
And how was your experience in studying at this class in terms of the campus environment and the education system?
My experience has been good because the campus is friendly. The class are clear and overall it's good. Yeah, overall.
And the last question, what is your own study program for your future career plans?
It is very relevant statistic is need in berbagai bidang like business, research, and data analysis. So statistic is relevant in real life.
Can you introduce yourself? Hello, my name is Arisa. I'm from Statistic. So for the first question is, why do you choose Brawijaya University? Firstly, I choose Brawijaya University because I like the weather and it's copyright. Alright, and the next question is, why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science? Because simply I like work in work, yes. Why do you choose the statistics major? Because aku tuh the next question is, what's your experience in
introduce yourself?
My name is Hanifah Trimaisha and I'm from Statistics.
Okay, first question. Why do you choose Brawijaya University?
The reasons why I choose Brawijaya University because it is a top 10 university in Indonesia and also it is located in Malang. I love the Malang weather.
Okay. Why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science?
Because statistics major plays at faculty MIPA.
Okay. Why do you choose the statistics major?
This is why because I like to analyze data and I love statistics.
Well, how has your experience been studying at UB so far, both in terms on the campus environment and the education system?
It's fun and exciting, and I understand the material more deeply and quickly.
Well, last question. How relevant is your current study program to your future career plan?
It is really relevant because I want to be a data analyst, so that's the reason why I chose statistics.
Okay, thank you, Hani.
Hello everyone, today I will interview statistics student from Brawijaya University. Go! Hello, may I interview you for my project? Could you please provide your name and student ID number?
Oke, perkenalkan nama saya Nasya Herida Putri dari program studi statistika. Nomor induk mahasiswa saya 2550 9050 71110.
Okay, number 1. Why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Alasan saya memilih Universitas Brawijaya karena selain Universitas Brawijaya berada di top 10 PTN yang ada di Indonesia, di Universitas Brawijaya juga dekat dengan lokasi rumah saya. Jadi selain lingkungannya yang bagus dan mendukung, saya juga bisa tetap berada dekat dengan keluarga saya.
The next question. Why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences?
Alasan saya memilih MIPA karena saya dari awal sudah ingin masuk ke jurusan statistik.
Okay, number 3. Why do you choose the statistics major?
Alasan saya memilih statistika karena statistika merupakan salah satu jurusan STEM. Apalagi jurusan STEM itu nanti arah prospek kerjanya yang sangat luas, sehingga saya memilih jurusan statistika.